Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm James from Gaming Central PH, and today we're gonna talk about the most common Nintendo Switch issue, which is the ghost movement. So I have here a Joy-Con that I acquired via trade offer. As you can see, it's not moving by its own. I can control Link without any issue. I can even battle this orc for you. Ah, maybe you can blame the ghost movement for that attack. One more. There. So I was able to beat the orcs without any issue. And as you can see, it's not moving. But once you go to settings and then controller and sensors, go to calibrate control stick. Let's check the left first. Try to move it. There. It's moving on its own. This is an early sign of ghost movement. So for the next coming days or hours, you will encounter that in game. Let's try the right Joy-Con. See? Now, there are many ways to fix this. Number one is you can just blow this part, that part, the affected part, because it's possible that there might be some dust stuck there. You can also calibrate the control stick. Let's try if this can fix the issue. As you can see, I'm having an issue just going to the line. Ah, this is hard. There. Has. Okay, calibration complete. Let's check if that fixed the issue. Nah, still there. So it's still there. So one way that we could try is we could try to use a contact cleaner. I have here WD40 that I purchased in our local hardware. This is currently priced at 400 something, 400 pesos. So when applying WD40, I suggest to remove the Joy-Cons from the tablet because it's possible that you might spray some directly to your tablet. So let's just remove it. Okay, just shake the WD-40 first, and then you need to apply that here. Now, there you go. Make sure that you were able to cover all areas and move the analog stick like this way so that you can spread the liquid from this bottle. There. And since this is a fast drying solution, within a few seconds you're all good. Now let's check if applying WD-40 or contact cleaner fix the issue. Calibrate control stick. Right. Joy-Con. Looking good. Did it fix the issue? Hmm. Looks like the contact cleaner was able to fix the right Joy-Con issue. It's no longer doing ghosting. No more ghost movement for the stick. As you can see, it's not moving by itself, and it goes right back. I also created another video and I tested the WD40 on this Joy-Con, and then unfortunately it did not fix it. So using WD40, I was able to fix the right Joy-Con. As you can see, there's no sign of ghosting. So that makes me happy. Cool. If applying contact cleaner doesn't fix your issue, your last resort would be replacing the analog itself. Here in the Philippines, it would cost you roughly around 700 to 800 pesos. So that's 1,500 to 1,600 per pair. So roughly around, I'm no good with math, let's say $30. So expensive. There. So it looks like I was able to fix it using the WD-40 for this right Joy-Con. I'm not that sure how long this will last. If playing a game will affect it again. Let me check. Yeah, looks like all good. The right Joy-Con is working. There. And that's how you fix a Joy-Con that has ghost movement. Just use contact cleaner and you're good to go. So again, this is James from Gaming Central PH, and I'm out. Thank you.